News just coming in. We're getting in more details as far as the farmers' protest is concerned. It's turned very ugly in Haryana, as you can see in these pictures, where tear gas shells were fired at the protesters and the scuffle took place at the Haryana border. These are details right now. The farmers' stir intensifying and chaos has erupted. Cops blocked the farmers' march to the national capital. These are the farmers marching from the Shambhu border to Delhi city, and that march essentially was blocked. Internet also has been suspended in Ambala. There were protesters from Sirsa, from Hisar, from Ambala who were marching towards Delhi, and they were stopped. We'll be going across, in fact, to Asim in a moment from now. Asim Basi is getting in these live pictures, beaming them straight from Ambala in Haryana at the Shambhu border, where, as you can see in these pictures, the farmers were tear gassed as well. These are images that are live on your screens right now of the security that was, in fact, deployed at the border, leading to a lot of chaos. Tear gas shells are fired and scuffle that took place at the border. If Asim can hear me, Asim is getting in these live pictures. Asim, pictures of absolute chaos at the Shambhu border there in Haryana, where the authorities had to resort to a lathi charge and also to using tear gas shells. Asim, we can see you right now. If you can hear me, go ahead.
Yeah, you can see behind me the situation is tense over here in Shambhu, that regularly tear gas is being fired by the Haryana police on farmers. The farmers went on foot. They wanted to have a foot march, but there were no tractor trolleys. The situation here is intense. You can see the farmer has also been injured over here, and regularly the farmers are feeling suffocated. Even the journalists here are under suffocation because the Haryana police is regularly firing tear gas shells now over here. The situation was calm earlier. It was a deadlock, but now behind me you can see that the cops are regularly warning the farmers not to come beyond this point. But the farmers, as they go close, the Haryana police, you can see that cop right on the top of the roof behind me. He is again trying to fire that cop. You can see that. You can see that tear gas shell being fired right behind me. Yeah, look at that shell being fired. Look at that shell being fired yet again. This is the situation here in Shambhu border, where now the situation is getting worse here in Shambhu border. How the shells are being fired. How the shells are being fired here in Shambhu border in an attempt to disperse the 101 farmers who wanted to go to Delhi as part of the demands. There were no tractors, no trolleys. They wanted to go on foot. But regularly the police, you can see behind me, the Haryana police behind me is regularly firing the tear gas shells in a bid to disperse the farmers from here. This is the situation. The farmers are doing sloganeering against the Haryana police, and the Haryana police cops, you can see right on top of the roof, they are aiming at the farmers yet again, and the tear gas shells are fired on the bridge. See, look at this, look at the thunder, look at the voice of these kind of explosions taking place here on Shambhu border. The situation is very tense over here. The farmers wanted to go to Delhi peacefully, but now the situation is such that police has, firstly they were warning them that there is no permission to go to Delhi, but now regularly the things are such that Haryana police is saying, you can see the announcement, hear the announcement yet again, that there is no such provision to go to Delhi, no such permission. But the farmers are hell-bent, they want to go, they say that it's a democratic right. But now the situation at Shambhu is very, very tense as the Haryana police is firing tear gas shells yet again. We saw the same situation on February 13 when such situation took place. But now yet again, it's a similar situation that has emerged.
Pictures are from the Shambhu border in Ambala and Haryana, from where Asim Basi was with us. Anmol Bali is also from the same location there in Shambhu border that has become the epicenter of the farmers' agrarian crisis that they've been talking about. Anmol, what is it that's happening at this point in time? Things going pretty out of control because of which the farmers had to resort to using tear gas. Tear gassed. The authorities had to resort to using tear gas against the farmers.
Sneha, as the time is passing, the situation is worsening here at the Shambhu border on Punjab and Haryana border, where I will show you in the visuals that how Haryana police is using smoke gas canisters to disperse the protesting farmers, the 101 farmers, those who were trying to enter into the Haryana territory because they want to walk towards the national capital. They have called a Paidal March, but here you can see in the visual the situation is getting tense, and the Haryana police has used heavy shelling of smoke gas canisters. Earlier it was seen that as farmers were getting near to the border, as you can see in the visual, the black color net, they were trying to brought that net down. They were using chemical sprays and smoke gas canisters, but earlier smoke gas canisters were thrown from hand, but now Haryana police has started shelling firing smoke gas canisters with the guns, and you can see in the visual stake, you can see how paramilitary forces personnel and Haryana police personnel are using smoke gas. They will soon fire this canister towards the farmer, and even farmers have also come here with preparation. They have brought wet jute bags because in the month of February it was you can see in the visuals now, you can see in the visuals how a canister, you can see it has just blasted, the canister has just blasted. From here you can understand the current situation, that how smoke gas canisters are being used, and even farmers are here with jute bags to control the smoke gas canister. But you can see the heavy firing of smoke gas canisters. See, three smoke canisters have been thrown towards the farmer's side in just few minutes. From here, Sneha, you can understand that how situation is worsening and how situation is deteriorating, because earlier it was seen that as farmers were trying to break that black iron net and they want to move towards the national capital, then the chemical was used to disperse farmer, and then suddenly Haryana police have started using the smoke canister, because since month of Feb, farmers are sitting here, they're protesting here at Shambhu as well as Khanauri. They want to move towards the national capital with their 12 straight demands of MSP and justice for Lakhimpur Khedi victims. And 101 farmers were chosen from various farm unions and various parts of Punjab to walk towards the national capital, and with the bag packed and with the flags in their hand, farmers were moving towards the Haryana side. First they broke the first layer of barricading, then second layer of barricading, and to control and disperse the farmer. Now you can see how smoke gas canisters are being used by the Haryana police and the paramilitary forces. Heavy barricading has been done. Containers as well as Vajravan, anti-riot gear, police lass with anti-riot gear is deployed here to control the farmer, to stop them moving towards the national capital. And earlier the smoke gas canisters were first fired from that side. There also you can see on the other side of the bridge, the heavy paramilitary forces and Haryana police is deployed.